Good evening, scholars. I'm back for your next bedtime story. Again, we're going back to the Sleepy Time Tales. And today we're going to read a story called The Boy and the Tigers. I hope you enjoy it. Here we go. First of all, can we just talk about this? Look at that cute little buddy. Oh my God, it kills me. Okay, here we go. Once upon a time, there was a little boy, and his name was Little Rajani, and his mother was called Ramita, and his father was called Kapali, and Ramita made him a beautiful little red coat and a pair of beautiful little blue trousers. Let's see his little trousers and his coat. There. So cute. Here we go. And Kapali went to the bazaar and bought him a beautiful green umbrella and a lovely little pair of purple shoes with crimson soles and crimson linings. And then wasn't little Rajani grand? So he put on all his fine clothes and went out for a walk in the jungle. And by he met a tiger. And the tiger said to him, "Little Rajani, I'm going to eat you up." Look at him, so sharp, so cute. And little Rajani said, "Oh, please, Mr. Tiger, don't eat me up, and I'll give you my beautiful little red coat." So the tiger said, "Very well. I won't eat you this time, but you must give me your beautiful little red coat." That's funny. So the tiger got poor little Rajani's beautiful little red coat and went away saying, "Now I'm the grandest tiger in the jungle." And little Rajani went on, and by he met another tiger, and it said to him, "Little Rajani, I'm going to eat you up." And little Rajani said, "Oh, please, Mr. Tiger, don't eat me up, and I'll give you my beautiful little blue trousers." So the tiger said, "Very well. I won't eat you this time, but you must give me your beautiful little blue trousers." So the tiger got poor little Rajani's beautiful little blue trousers and went away saying, "Now I'm the grandest tiger in the jungle." And little Rajani went on, and by he met another tiger. And it said to him, "Little Rajani, I'm going to eat you up." Look at him giving him his trousers. Poor buddy. And little Rajani said, "Oh, please, Mr. Tiger, don't eat me up, and I'll give you my beautiful little purple shoes with crimson soles and crimson linings." But the tiger said, "What use would your shoes be to me? I've got 4 feet, and you've only got 2. You haven't got enough shoes for me." But little Rajani said, "You could wear them on your ears." "So I could," said the tiger. "That's a very good idea. Give them to me, and I won't eat you this time." Well, that's just silly. He's going to wear them on his ears. So the tiger... Can we talk about that really quick? That's hilarious to me. His shoes on his ears. Okay. So the tiger got poor little Rajani's beautiful little purple shoes with crimson soles and crimson linings and went away saying, "Now I'm the grandest tiger in the jungle." And by little Rajani met another tiger, and it said to him, "Little Rajani, I'm going to eat you up." And little Rajani said, "Oh, please, Mr. Tiger, don't eat me up, and I'll give you my beautiful green umbrella." But the tiger said, "How can I carry an umbrella when I need all my paws for walking with?" "You could tie a knot on your tail and carry it that way," said little Rajani. "So I could," said the tiger. "Give it to me, and I won't eat you this time." Those shoes on the tiger's ears. Funny. So he got poor little Rajani's beautiful green umbrella and went away saying, "Now I'm the grandest tiger in the jungle." And poor little Rajani went away crying because the cruel tigers had taken all his fine clothes. Presently he heard a horrible noise that sounded like grrrr, and it got louder and louder. "Oh dear," said little Rajani. "There are all the tigers coming back to eat me up. What shall I do?" So he ran quickly to a palm tree and peeped round it to see what the matter was. Poor little Rajani. Look at his little face. Oh my God. And there he saw all the tigers fighting and disputing which of them was the grandest. And at last they all got so angry that they jumped up and took off all the fine clothes and began to tear each other with their claws and bite each other with their great big white teeth. And they came rolling and tumbling right to the foot of the very tree where little Rajani was hiding, but he jumped quickly in behind the umbrella, and the tigers all got caught hold of each other's tails as they wrangled and scrambled, and so they found themselves in a ring round the tree. I think this is a lesson about hubris, guys. Then, when the tigers were very wee and very far away, little Rajani jumped up and called out, "Oh, tigers, why have you taken off all your nice clothes? Don't you want them any more?" But the tigers only answered, "Grrr." Then little Rajani said, "If you want them, say so, or I'll take them away." But the tigers would not let go of each other's tails, and so they could only say, "Grrr." So little Rajani put on all his fine clothes again and walked off. And the tigers were very, very angry, but still they would not let go of each other's tails. And they were so angry that they ran round the tree, trying to eat each other up. And they ran faster and faster till they were whirling round so fast that you couldn't see their legs at all. And they still ran faster and faster and faster till they all just melted away, and there was nothing left but a great big pool of melted butter, or ghee as it is called in India, round the foot of the tree. Well, that's just silly. Now Kapali was just coming home from his work with a great big brass pot in his arms, and when he saw what was left of all the tigers, he said, "Oh, what lovely melted butter! I'll take that home to Ramita for her to cook with." So he put it all into the great big brass pot and took it home to Ramita to cook with. When Ramita saw the melted butter, wasn't she pleased? "Now," she said, "we'll all have pancakes for supper." I think it should be like roti or naan, but I don't know. So she got flour and eggs and milk and sugar and butter, and she made a huge big plate of the most lovely pancakes. And she fried them in the melted butter which the tigers had made, and they were just as yellow and brown as little tigers. And then they all sat down to supper, and Ramita ate 27 pancakes, and Kapali ate 55. But little Rajani ate 169 because he was so hungry. The end. I hope you guys enjoyed your bedtime story. As always, text me if you need anything. I will see you tomorrow.